Hello students, today I am going to start the next point from this lesson. The topic name is already written over here. Solution of a quadratic equation by factorization. In previous point we have discussed about if the given equation is not a quadratic equation or not. Before that we have discussed about how to convert the word examples into the quadratic form. And then we have discussed how to identify the given equation is a quadratic equation or not. Now the third point I am going to start from this lesson. The name of the point is solution of a quadratic equation by factorization. Means what? We have to find out the solution of the quadratic equation. We have to find out solution of a quadratic equation means the variable which is given in that equation, we have to find out the value of that respective variable. Okay. The solution of a quadratic equation by factorization method, and for that purpose we have to use one method, that is regular method, to find out the solution of a quadratic equation, that is known as the factorization method. It may happen they may ask one another instruction is will be there for like that solution of a quadratic equation, or they may give like that instruction. I have written here for first example. You will see this: find the roots of the equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3, 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0 by factorization method. Means instead of solution, here one word is used, what is find the roots of the equation. Means they may use word solution, they may use word roots, meaning is same. We have to follow same method by using factorization method, how to find out the roots of the given quadratic equation, that I am going to explain over here. Listen carefully and try to understand. It's very simple. Listen. Solution in this, first of all I will write given. What is given? You see one quadratic equation is given. What is that? 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the given quadratic equation. What is the equation? 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. As it is, I copied that equation. Then the next step is, that is very important step. In this step some students are getting confusion, some students are not getting answer. That's why they are feeling factorization method little difficult. But this is very simple method. If you will see carefully, then you will come to know that. Next step is, first of all we have copied as it is the equation which is given to us. The next point is that we have to multiply the coefficient of x square to this value, means c. If you will observe carefully, then ax square plus bx plus c, in this form this equation is there. Okay, here instead of plus sign minus sign is there, but form is same, ax square bx and c. We have to multiply over here the coefficient of x square means a. We have to multiply this a to this c, means this number to this number we have to multiply. And what answer we are getting, that we have to write, because this is very important for us. Plus into plus plus, hence 2 into 3 we will get here what? 6. Are you getting? I have written here separately for your better understanding. We have to write for our understanding also when we are going to solve the example. That is allowed over here, no problem at all. Are you getting what I did? I have multiplied this number to this number. Every time you have to, suppose here number is not given, means nothing is there, 1 is there. Okay, then 1 into this number, whatever is there you have to take. Are you getting? And while taking, you must remember that this, it's sign. Here sign is plus, into plus, now we got plus. Suppose here plus and here minus is there, then we will get here minus. That you remember, must you remember over there. Next point I am going to tell you, look here. Next we have to focus over there the middle term or the middle number. What is the middle term over here? Minus 5x is the middle term. Then we have to pick up, there we have to take the coefficient of x with sign. That is very important. We have to take coefficient of x with sign. What is the coefficient of x? Minus 5. We have to write here minus 5. Means here we got two numbers, we must find those two numbers, and after finding those two numbers our this factorization method is going to start. Are you getting? Then what to do? Look here. Now we have to find out such two factors of those numbers. Now we have to find out such two factors of those numbers whose multiplication is plus 6 and addition is minus 5. We have to find out to such a number whose multiplication is what? Plus 6 and addition is minus 5. If you will see, then you will come to know that here we will get two numbers, minus 2 into minus 3 plus minus into minus plus 2 into 3, 6 we will get, and we will do addition, then we will come to know that minus 2 minus 3 we will get minus 5. Means we got here two factors, minus 2 and minus 3. Got idea? Okay. then we have to start our example. But before starting example, we must do this. Without doing this, you will not solve this example. You must remember that. Okay, I am going to start. Look here, what we have to write: split the middle term. Here we have to write split the middle term. What is middle term? Minus 5x. As we got here minus 5x के फैक्टर हमें मिले minus 2 and minus 3. Okay, as minus 2x and minus 3x. How we got this? Minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. We have kept here only x, and then we will get, look here, minus 2x minus 3x minus 5x. Are you getting? That's why I have written here split the middle term minus 5x as minus 2x and minus 3x. Now we will put this minus 2x and minus 3x on the place of minus 5x. What we will get? See, therefore we will put in this equation 2x square minus 2x minus 3x. Remember what I did? 2x square as it is copied, minus 5x. Instead of minus 5x, I have written minus 2x and minus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. Look here, 2x square minus 2x minus 3x means what? 5x. I have split. I have what I did over here. I have split this. Splitted this number. Which one number? Minus 5x. I have splitted that in which form? Minus 2 and minus 3x. Now what to do? Look here. You have to make a group. You have to make group of those two numbers. ये मैं समझने के लिए मैंने अंडरलाइन किया, अंडरलाइन करने की जरूरत नहीं है. ओके, फॉर योर बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ओनली. We have to make group of two numbers, first to third, fourth, and we have to take, if it is possible, any common term you have to take out. If you will observe carefully, then you will come to know that what is the common term? 2x square and minus 2x. If you will see carefully, for your understanding, I will show you here. 2x square we can write like that, 2 into x into x. 2x square यानी कि क्या? 2 into x. X square we can write in this form, x into x, minus 2 into x, minus 3x means what? 3 into x, plus 3 as it is equal to 0. We have decided to take common from those two. Okay, now if you will see carefully, then you will come to know that here many things are common. What is that? 2 is the common factor, take it out. X is the common factor, here is x, take it out. What will remain inside? Look here, means in the bracket, whatever remaining things we have to write in the bracket. Here x is remain, 2x we have taken out, here 2x we have taken out, here x is remain. Okay, and middle sign is minus. Here nothing is remain means what? 1 is remain. You don't write 0, remember, here we have to write 1, nothing is remain means 1. Here look, if you will observe carefully, then you will come to know that what is the common factor? 3 is the common factor. Are you getting? But which sign we have to write? The sign which is over here, that sign only we have to carry as it is. Why we have to carry? I will tell you. Look here, 3 is the common factor. In bracket what will remain? Look here, here x is remain, here plus sign is there. In the solving matter, or when students are solving this, that time here they are getting confusion. Look here. Okay, what I am telling, here minus 1 is there, here plus sign is there, then some students are writing plus 1. That is wrong. Why wrong? Look here, minus into plus, minus, here we have written minus, minus into, suppose we will write here plus, then here plus is there, then must we have to write over here what? Minus. Got idea? Bracket complete is equal to 0. Once again I will tell, minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus. For that purpose we have to write here minus, because we have taken minus sign outside. Therefore, now one again thing I want to tell you, the bracket which you are getting over here, same bracket you will get here only. Are you getting? अगर इधर और इधर का ब्रैकेट अलग अलग आ रहा है तो तुम्हारा कुछ गलत है. ये बात इधर तुम्हें क्लियर हो जाएगी. ये इधर जो ब्रैकेट आता है वही ब्रैकेट इधर आता है. ओके, अगर कन्फ्यूजन हो रहा है तो ब्रैकेट चेक करके देखो, तुम्हें समझ में आएगा. ओके, अभी देखो व्हाट इज कॉमन अगेन, x minus 1 is the common factor. Then what will remain? 2x minus 3. That will write in the another bracket. 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. 2x minus 3 कैसे? This is 2x, this minus 3, bracket complete is equal to 0. Got idea up to this step? I hope so you are getting idea about it. Now what to do? Look here, we have to separate it. how to separate? Look here. Therefore, x minus 1 is equal to 0, we have to write, or 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Means both those brackets we have to compare with 0. This is the procedure of, this is the step of factorization. Therefore, what we have to find out? We have to find out the roots of this equation. Roots is nothing but we have to find out the value of that respective variable. Which are the variable? Here x and here x. Means remaining terms you have to transfer to the RHS. Okay, here x. This minus 1 will transfer to the RHS. What you will get? Here now it is minus, it will convert into plus. Or this also will transfer. 2x is equal to, this is minus, it will convert into plus. Therefore, x is equal to 1, or look here, x is equal to, this multiplied 2 is there. We should not keep anything this side. कौन सा भी नंबर इस साइड को नहीं रखना है. 2x की वैल्यू नहीं निकालनी है, हमें x की वैल्यू निकालनी है. दैट्स वाई दिस मल्टीप्लाई 2 वी विल ट्रांसफर टू दिस साइड, मीन्स इट विल डिवाइड 3 डिवाइडेड बाय 2. गॉट आइडिया? अंडरस्टूड? Means x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3 by 2 are the solutions of the given equation. Here we have to write that sentence. Here x is equal to 1 or no, we have to find out solution, or here we have to, okay, or x is equal to 3 by 2 एंड भी लिखोगे तो भी अभी कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है क्योंकि हम रूट्स लिख रहे हैं. आर द रूट्स ऑफ गिवन इक्वेशन. गिवन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन अगर लिख रहे हो तो भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, एंड ऐसा भी लिखोगे तो भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. 2 रूट्स मिल गए हमें. गॉट आइडिया? दिस इज द प्रोसेस. one again example I have written over here. That example also I will show you. 6x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Same procedure, the procedure which we followed before that, same procedure we have to follow over here, and by using that same procedure we have to solve this example. Are you getting? First, so here also instruction will be like that. Which type of instruction? Find the roots of this equation. Instruction upside I have written, that's why directly I have written this example. Solution given. What is given? 6x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. 6x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the example. Now what to do? Look here, a into c. अभी इधर देखो, प्लस इंटू माइनस, माइनस होगा 6 इंटू 2 minus 12. Are you getting? Means we got minus 12. Middle term is what? Minus x. Nothing is there, means no coefficient is shown over here. Means what is coefficient? Minus 1. Got idea? Try to understand. I am writing purposefully in the bracket for your better understanding. You have to focus on this. हमें 2 नंबर मिले देखो अभी. 6 into minus 2 plus into minus minus 6 into 2 12 minus x. Middle number is what? Look here, nothing is there, means minus 1 we have to consider. Now we have to find out such two factors. Now we have to find out such two factors whose multiplication is minus 12 and addition is minus 1. Multiplication is minus 12 and addition is minus 1. Then how to find out? The two factors are like that. Look here, 3 into minus 4. 3 minus 4. Look here, plus 3 minus 4. Plus into minus minus. 3 into 4 12. Okay, 4 minus 3 1. Which is the greater number? 4. What is its sign? Minus. That's why minus 1. We got here two factors, 3 into minus 4. Remaining next step, as you know that, split the middle term. What is the middle term? Minus x as, how we have to write? 3x and minus 4x. 3x and minus 4x. Put this 6x square minus, अभी क्या लिखेंगे? इधर देखो, ये प्लस 3 है तो इधर प्लस 3 आएगा, प्लस 3x minus 4x. Got idea what I did? Plus 3x minus 4x means what you will get? Minus x. Minus 2 is equal to 0. Minus 2 is equal to 0. Before that I shown you, okay, x square means what? X into x. X means the here nothing is there, 3 into x. But again I am showing for your better understanding. पहले दो नंबर, दूसरे दो नंबर, इसमें हमें कॉमन निकालना है. 6 हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, देखो कैसे, 3 इंटू टू इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर कैसे लिखेंगे, x इंटू एक्स प्लस 3x 3 इंटू एक्स माइनस 4x 2 इंटू टू इंटू एक्स minus 2 is equal to 0. For your understanding purpose I have splitted this. I have shown you those all factors. Factors लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, डायरेक्ट भी अगर तुम ब्रैकेट लिख रहे हो तो भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ओके, अंडरस्टैंडिंग यानी कि किस लिए लिखा है, देखो व्हाट इज द कॉमन फैक्टर, फॉर दैट पर्पज आई हैव रिटर्न. इफ यूल सी हियर 3 इंटू टू 6, x इंटू एक्स एक्स स्क्वायर, 3 इंटू एक्स 3x, माइनस साइन इज देयर माइनस, 2 इंटू टू 4 इंटू एक्स minus 2 is equal to 0. If you will see first two numbers, this and this, what is common factor? 3 and 3 is the common factor, x and x is the common factor, means 3x is the common factor. Here you will see what is common factor, minus 2 is the common factor. Are you getting? Then what you will get, see here, next step I will write here. Therefore what I told, common factors we will take out, 3x in bracket, what will remain, 2x plus 1 minus 2 is the next common factor, that is 2x plus 1 will remain, that is equal to 0. Got idea what I said? We have taken 3x is the common factor, what will remain inside, 2x plus 1. Here minus 2 is the common factor, what will remain inside, 2x plus 1. The bracket which we got here, same bracket we got here. Therefore okay, we will take it out, 2x plus 1 and remaining 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Got idea? 2x plus 1 is the common factor and here 3x minus 2 we have written in the other bracket. Okay, we have to find out 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 or 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. We have to find out here x, that's why we will transfer this. 2x is equal to, it is plus, it will convert into minus, or 3x it will convert into plus. Okay, 3x as it is, minus 2 we have converted into plus. We want to find out x is equal to, divide this, minus 1 by 2 or x is equal to 2 by 3. X is equal to what we got, minus 1 by 2 or x is equal to 2 by 3. Those are the factors of, or we can say those are the roots of the given quadratic equation. We have to write over here, what we have to write, x, we have to write here x is equal to minus 1 by 2 or x is equal to 2 by 3 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Do you understand? Okay. Next example, that is little different one, I am going to show you. Look this, 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the given equation. Okay. Then how to solve this? As you know that very well, as I told you, solution and given. As it is, we will copy this equation, 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, here also what we have to do, we have to multiply a into c, 3 into 2, what we will get, 6. Okay, what is the middle term? Look here now, it is very important, minus 2 root 6, total we have to take, huh? This is the coefficient now. What is the coefficient? Minus 2 root 6 is the coefficient of x. You have to take it total, minus 2 root 6. Now we have to find out such a two factors whose multiplication is 6 and addition is minus 2 root 6. And addition is minus 2 root 6. Are you getting? Minus 2 root 6. We will get here factors. What we will get? Look here. Root 6 into root 6. Root 6 into root 6. Root 6 into root 6 means what? Minus root 6 into minus root 6. What I told? Minus root 6 into minus root 6. And minus root 6 minus root 6 अगर हमने लिया, क्या लिखा है देखो इधर, ध्यान से देखो, minus root 6 into minus root 6 plus 6. How we will get plus? Minus into minus plus. Root 6 into root 6, 6. Okay, minus root 6 minus root 6. Minus 1 minus 1. How many? Minus 2. And what minus 2? Root 6. That's why minus 2 root 6. Are you getting? Those are the factors. I will write here. Split the middle term. Split the middle term. What is middle term? Minus 2 root 6 x as minus root 6 x and minus root 6 x. What idea? ऐसे फैक्टर्स हमें क्विकली फाइंड आउट करने होंगे, इसलिए हमें थोड़ी बहुत प्रैक्टिस करनी होगी. व्हेन यू विल डू प्रैक्टिस यू विल गेट इट, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. ओके, नेक्स्ट वी विल पुट इन दिस इक्वेशन 3x square minus 2 root 6. It means what now? Minus root 6x minus root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Plus 2 is equal to 0. Got idea? Okay. Now we will split this. How we are going to split this? Splitting I will show you. Listen, you will come to know that. 3. Look here. Root 6 into root 6. We got 6. Like that. When we want to get 3, that time we have to write like that. Root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3. 3 into x square means what? X into x. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट को ये अभी कन्फ्यूजन लगेगा, ये रूट थ्री कैसे आ गया सर. रूट 3 को रूट 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, यदि उसका स्क्वायर होता है, स्क्वायर करने के बाद स्क्वायर रूट साइन चला जाता है और ओनली आंसर मिलता है 3. माइनस रूट 6 वी कैन राइट इन दिस फॉर्म. root 3 into root 2. root 3 into root 2. We want to find out factor, that's why we have splitted this. इधर देखो, root 3 into root 2 means we can write in one square root bracket, square root sign also. एक square root में लिखा तो 3 into 2 कितना होगा? 6. 6 into x minus this root 3 into root 2. इसका भी स्प्लिटिंग लिख रहा हूँ मैं, माइनस रूट 6 का इंटू एक्स प्लस 2 यानी कि क्या? रूट 2 इंटू रूट 2 इज इक्वल टू 0. गॉट आइडिया? ये थोड़ा सा अलग किस्म का एग्जांपल है. अभी जो कॉमन टर्म्स है वो निकालने हैं. कौन कौन से कॉमन? इसमें और इसमें, इसमें और इसमें. ओके, व्हाट इज कॉमन? लुक हियर, रूट 3 and root 3 is the common factor. X and x is the common factor. We will take it out. What we will get? See, root 3x in bracket, root 3x in bracket, what will remain? Root 3x. Root 3x, 1 root 3x goes outside of the bracket. The remaining root 3 and x means root 3x will remain. Minus, here root 3 already gone outside, x also gone outside. What is remain? Minus root 2. Okay. Next, look here. Here we have to get here minus sign. That's why we will take here minus sign outside. Here what we will get? See, root 2 and root 2 is the common factor. Then what will remain inside? Root 3x. Okay, here plus is there but minus sign is outside, means we will write here minus root 2 bracket complete is equal to 0. Got idea? Next, therefore what we are getting, see, it's very important now. Okay, before that also we have did like that. Same thing we are going to follow over here. Okay, जैसे हमने कॉमन निकाला था, ये जो ब्रैकेट कॉमन निकाल के लिखे इधर, इसमें भी हमने इसके पहले जो एग्जांपल हमने देखा था, इसमें भी हमने ये देखो, एक कॉमन ब्रैकेट हम बाहर लिखते हैं पहले, दैट लाइक दैट विल राइट हियर. व्हाट इज द कॉमन ब्रैकेट? रूट 3x माइनस रूट 2. यू विल राइट इट, रूट 3x माइनस रूट 2. देन व्हाट विल रिमेन इन द अदर ब्रैकेट? लुक हियर, रूट 3x माइनस रूट 2. रूट 3x माइनस रूट 2 इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? 0. Now we have to compare with 0. इधर 0 है तो 0 से कंपेयर करो. ओके, नाउ रूट 3x माइनस रूट 2 इज इक्वल टू 0 और रूट 3x माइनस रूट 2 इज इक्वल टू 0. ओके, नाउ विल ट्रांसफर दिस माइनस साइन टू द RHS. रूट 3x इज इक्वल टू दिस माइनस रूट 2 विल ट्रांसफर हियर, देन इट विल प्लस और रूट 3x is equal to root 2. Then what we want to find out? X we want to find out. Divide this. X is equal to root 2 divided by root 3 or x is equal to root 2 divided by root 3. X is equal to what I got? Root 2 divided by root 3. Understood? Okay. We can write in one bracket also. Therefore x is equal to, एक की ब्रैकेट में हम, एक की स्क्वायर रूट साइन में हम लिख सकते हैं. ओके, गॉट आइडिया. दोज आर नाउ इन द डिफरेंट स्क्वायर रूट साइन. वी कैन राइट इन वन स्क्वायर रूट साइन 2 divided by 3 or x is equal to 2 divided by 3. Means here x is equal to root 2 divided by 3 or x is equal to root 2 divided by 3 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. कैसे लिखना है? ऐसे लिखना है. Repeating, here I have shown you once. Here I hope so you got idea about the factorization method. This is very important. Look here, notes, for notes purpose I am showing this page once again. What I told you today, factorization method I have started today onwards. I have shown you here 3 examples. I hope so those 3 examples you got idea about it. You must look this once again. You will come to know that this is the first example. You have to write, after every example you have to write like that answer in the word form. ये दूसरा एग्जाम्पल है. दूसरा एग्जाम्पल का एंड इधर है. Then this is the third example. Okay, this is the third example. You have to copy down it as it is. इधर लिखना है the roots of the given quadratic equations are root 2 divided by 3, root 2 divided by 3. Okay, I hope so you got idea about this method. Remaining points will continue in the next video. Thank you.